So this month's collaboration is all about Greek food, and I am joining 16 other wonderful collaborators to bring you some amazing dishes. Now there are too many of you to mention here, so I will link all of your channels in the description below. So I'm doing lemon, chicken and potatoes, which is a very easy dish to do. In fact, it's a simple tray bake. I'm going to start off with 700 grams of medium-sized potatoes. I'm going to chop them into quarters. I like them a good size, I don't like them too small. And there we have them, and I'm going to put them to one side for now. Next, I'm going to take a large roasting pan, and I'm going to add about 6 to 8 chicken thighs. It's around about a kilo of chicken thighs in total. I think there were 8 here. Then obviously add the potatoes into the pan. Then I'm going to pour over 100 millilitres of freshly squeezed lemon juice. One teaspoon of ground cumin. And half a teaspoon of dried chilli flakes. Give them a good mix around and rub those spices into the chicken and the potatoes. And just arrange everything into a nice even layer. Next, I'm going to sprinkle over a good amount of freshly chopped oregano, straight from my garden, I'll have you know. And then around 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. I've kept the skins on, but I've bashed them slightly so they give off more of their flavour. And then I'm going to pour over 60 millilitres of water. Sprinkle over some salt and pepper. And then finally I'm going to dot the pan with a few slices of fresh lemon. And then we're good to go. This will go into an oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 180 degrees C fan, 400 Fahrenheit for around 45 to 50 minutes. Mine took around 50 minutes for the potatoes to fully cook through, and as you can see it looks divine. I am going to sprinkle over some more freshly chopped oregano. And then, as if there wasn't enough lemon in this dish already, I'm going to squirt over the juice of half a lemon just to pep the whole dish up at the end. And there we have it, Greek lemon, chicken and potatoes, food for the gods, I'm sure you'll agree. Thank you for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please consider subscribing, and if you do, please also hit that notification bell and you will be notified of any videos that I upload in future. And finally, I'd like to say a big thank you to all my fellow creators for taking part in this collaboration. Good luck with your videos. I'm going to wish you all peace, love, and I'll see you all very soon. Take care.